Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to overcome examination fear. Today I am going to speak about specific LLB course. LLB course is a difficult course. Many of the students have been struggled to get pass for the examinations of LLB. So today I would like to speak especially for LLB students how to overcome examination fear, especially during 1 month time. How to overcome examination fear I am going to speak about today. First of all, we have to create passionate about our studies. We should not study in difficulties. We should study with passionate. Without passion about your studies, you will get difficult. If one subject find, we can take it as example like criminal law 2. You have very difficult in your mind. It is very difficult to pass. That subject is difficult. If you think, definitely that will be a difficult subject. If you think, yeah, no, it is very easy, I can able to study, I can able to prepare my own, I can do it, I can write it. If you feed into positive and positive in your mind, definitely you can able to overcome that fear. First of all, we have to create passionate about our studies. Without passionate your studies, always you will think difficulties, and you cannot overcome about your fear. In examination time, it is very difficult to overcome your fear. If you have that passionate about your studies, definitely you can overcome your examination fear. The second tip is, please keep one big goal in your life. I say, I can give one example. You are doing LLB means you should have one aim or goal that I would like to become very good advocate in Karnataka, in India. Like that, you should have ambition, you should have goal. Then only you will create passionate about your studies. You will put lot of efforts to pass your examination. Only sake of examinations like passing, don't study. You should have passionate your studies. You should have ambition to succeed in your life. If you have goal, definitely you will study. Every day you will study. Examination time, many people, many students struggling like anything. Many people are calling me like anything. If you have the passionate, you will find answers for everything. So this is second tip. And third tip is, you have to prepare your own notes. You have lot of books, you have lot of materials. If you clubbed into all together, you cannot study at all. Even you cannot able to complete one book. Say example, Indian Constitution, you cannot study overall book in examination time. You should divide it into parts. Like some of the questions, very important questions, you have to prepare it. Then only you can able, some of the key points you have to prepare it. Then only you can able to read very thoroughly. Otherwise, all studying, you may forget, you cannot write in the examination. This is that. Please prepare for your own notes. It will be help last minute preparation. Without that, you cannot able to pass the exams. My dear friends, LLB is not a difficult. If you study, I can challenge you, if you study properly, at least each a day 1 hour you spend with your studies, definitely you will get pass without any problem. Without any problem, you will get pass. I am sure that. Please have a passion about your studies. Please be one, keep one aim or ambition in your life that I would like to become good advocate. I would like to become a manager of big company. I would like to become judge of one of the court. Like that, you should have create your passionate. This and all it is required. Just like that, bar and die. It's not at all value to your life. My advice is to please be passionate with your studies. Please keep one big ambition in your life that definitely will be study every day. If you have ambition, if you have desire to achieve your goal, definitely this is the tool. Study is the tool to get into your success. So please be practice every day. I will tell one word. Excellence is not an accident. It's a bundle of trial and errors. Like that, excellent grade won't get until unless practice it. Until unless study properly, you won't get it. Excellent or outstanding grade. If you have dedication to study, if you have willingness to pass the examination, definitely you can able to achieve and you can able to complete your LLB examinations. Many of the students, they are not eligibility in LLB. They have completed 3 years. After 3 years, there will be a provision for 3 years. That also completed. They couldn't able to pass. Means you have wasted the time of around 6 to 7 years. So what is the use? You have spent money, you have spent time, you have spent energy, you have spent lot many things in LLB. But if you are not able to pass, means what is the use of it? Before getting to LLB, please think that if you have passionate your studies, join. Otherwise, don't join. Just for namesake for LLB, please don't join. LLB is a good subject. If you study the LLB, you can conquer the world. I can challenge you. If any kind of situation, any kind of negative situation, any kind of problems you can dealt with through LLB. LLB is a tool that enhances knowledge like anything. Many of the students are struggling to keep remember section, subsection, articles. I will give one simple example. Take Factories Act 1948. Factories of Factories Act 1948. If you if you go through, section 1 will come, section 2 will come, section 3 will come, section 5 will come. Like that, if any act taken, there will be a sections for continuous provisions. So if you keep it in that act, so that you can easily remember that sections. If you can take example of Indian Constitution, there are many articles available in the Indian Constitution. So if you keep on just study with that articles, article 26 what says, article 27 what says, just like that, just remember it. Don't be like muggy like what you call just by heart. Don't help in LLB. You should think your mind and put little effort to gain the knowledge so that you can able to write very easily. If you Prevention is better than cure. If you had practice, definitely you don't get any fear about your examinations. Many of the students last minute they are preparing it. For them also, I will give one advice: nothing to worry. This year, if you many of the students, like 15 subject, 20 subject, it is pending. Please don't write, 10 subject, 15 text, 15 subjects at a time. Please take your own subject, like 6 subject you take in one semester. Any of the students can write only 6 subjects. Beyond that, if you write, definitely you will be going to fail, because that memory power and memory uh, stamina won't feel in any human being. So please taken care of that. If you have 10 subject, oh, 10 subject I have to pass, 10 subject I have to study. So if you the subject itself, you will get fear. So don't do that. If you kept pending like 15 subject, you take opt for 6 to 7 subject. You write it proper. You focus on few subjects, then definitely will get pass. You won't get any fears. So if you practice these tips, definitely won't get any fear during the examination. Happened is happened, already time is gone. Last moment, whichever possible, you have to do it. Any options will be there. Further also option will be there. After complete these examinations, definitely I can going to give good tips for you to write examinations in the initial to final level. I can give best tips, so that if you follow the tips, definitely you can able to get very good scores. As well, you can complete in first attempt. In the first attempt itself, you can able to pass. That kind of tips I will be given once complete your examination. If I give now, you don't have time to listen my words, you don't have time to uh, watch my video, you don't have time to study. So that is the reason I cannot tell all those things in this video. Definitely I will make video in future, full A to Z I will be giving. Thank you for subscribed my channel. Around more than 450 people have been subscribed my channel. Thank you very much for your kind support. I will also grow, and I will become make you grow definitely. This is my promise. Please do subscribe my channel, Anil Kumar KT. Once again, all the best for your exams. Thank you very much.